Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share what I have created for Saturday Morning Makes, Sewn in Love February, and also creating with my friend Gloria. And that is where we choose one certain item to create with. And so let's jump in. I'm going to show you the projects or the products that I used, and then we'll show you the card a little closer. So there goes the stamp set that I use, Sweet Friend, and that is from My Craft Spot. And then Elizabeth Craft Dashing Rectangles. And this is from CC Designs. I'm using, I don't know, maybe this circle here. It has a little bit of scallops and also a little bit of dashes there. And then I'm using this quilted tag from Paper Tray Ink, and I'm using those dashes for that Sewn in Love and that little heart. And I don't know where I got that heart from because I just throw all my hearts and things in this little container and keep it on my desk. And then that little bow there I got from My Creative Time. And then I also, for these little stems, I just pulled a die out of my stash so that I can create a stem to turn that into cherries. And then I'm also using this Distress Ink Fire Brick Red for the cherries, and then as well as this Distress Oxide Walnut Stain for the chocolate. All right, let me show you the item that Gloria and I chose this week. So if you've seen this for 99 cents on Simon Says Stamp, and it was up for a little while for 99 cents, we decided to purchase that. And I came up with cherries. I did not use that stem, and that stick, and I did not use the faces. I just covered that up with a little die, and I didn't get that die out. But sorry about that. But yeah, so that's how I created these two little cherries. I thought it turned out so cute. Try and get the most out of your dies. Not that we don't, because that's crafters. We do. That's what we do. And then there goes the inside of my card. All right, so that is what I have for you. Make sure you head over to Gloria's channel and see what she's created with this apple. And then also check out the other ladies too, which is Jill Norwood and Anna White. And I'll have everyone's channels linked down below. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.